Hi guys, I'm here with an unboxing today, and today I'm unboxing the November edition of Pink Parcel. Yeah, Pink Parcel. Something to make that time of the month just a little bit easier. Contains sanitary protection and something to cheer you up. That's the gist of it. Fabulous idea. I think it's an amazing idea. Love it. Love the whole concept. Yeah, love it. Now, in theory, these boxes fit through the door. Yeah, they do if they force them through. So this one's ended up a little bit battered again. Sometimes I think I'd rather they just didn't shove them through the door and they just actually tried, like knocked on the door. But if you're not in, I suppose it's a lot easier. Anyway, this is what we get. As everything falls on the floor. Right, basically you get some little boxes. I'll pick up everything that's gone on the floor. And in the boxes, just chaos. In the boxes you get nighttime sanitary protection. These are towels. I think this is a mixed pack. So you get a combination of sanitary pads and tampons. You can get all tampons or you can get all sanitary pads, whatever you like. So yeah, nighttime, for later, and you always get a little bag which are brilliant for your handbag. I probably have these in all my handbags, and it contains some for now, so it's like emergency things basically you should keep in your handbag. In this one there is some panty liners and some tampons, and this one is printed self-love. Now you also get a little booklet which is Pink Parcel Post, which basically tells you a little bit more about what's in the box. And this is the exciting thing for you. You get basically something, a little something to cheer you up. So you always get some goodies to cheer you up. It's usually a combination of beauty products, chocolate, tea. So occasionally you get a lifestyle product, but not all the time. Right, so let's see what is inside. Okay, first thing, I can smell something, and there's definitely something in here smells, so it's probably the tea bag, but I don't know. So, oops, tries to do it without chucking it all on the floor. That's what it looks like. And let's see what's in it. First thing. Okay, I don't think I've got that. Interesting. Let's have a look. Okay. Oh, it's a brush. Okay, I'm looking for something and it's actually a brush. It is a makeup brush. It is the Loella Fab Brow Brooke L09 makeup brush. It's a makeup brush. I was looking for a product, but it's a makeup brush. So it's a brow cum liner brush, I guess, if you liked a bit of thicker liner. That's what it looks like. So it's a makeup brush. Okay. The Loella Cosmetics Fab Brow Brooke. A statement brow can change the look of your whole face. Use this angled eyebrow brush with your favourite cream or powder products to fill and define your brows. Super soft bristles and an angled tip will help you achieve all your beauty goals. So yeah, it does feel nice actually. And that is $4.99. Full size, full price $4.99. So that's that. I actually need my brows waxed so badly. Yeah, they're starting to get a little bit wild, shall we say. Right, next. Skin Republic Prep and Glow Sheet Mask with Olivia Buckland. Who is Olivia Buckland? Was she Love Island or Made in Chelsea? I don't know. I don't know who she is. I can't stand reality TV. Yeah, I don't like anything like that. Made in Chelsea, Love Island, Big Brother. I don't like anything like that, so I don't really know who she is. It's awful. Anyway, that's what it looks like. It is a face mask. It is a sheet mask. Apply this lace sponge sheet mask before night out and leave for 20 minutes. Being designed to prep the skin before makeup application for a smooth finish that lasts longer. Made with hyaluronic acid, collagen and pomegranate to hydrate, plump and brighten. And that is full size, and that is $5.49 for that one. and it is not tested on animals. There you go. So that's that. Don't know who she is, but never mind. Right, I've had this before. Now I think I've actually even used this before. It is the Balance Me Congested Skin Serum. Massage dry skin after cleansing before applying your moisturiser in the morning and night. Eucalyptus and lavender oil, spruce knot and Canuka oil diminish blemishes, soothe inflammation and balance oiliness without overtly drying. This is a, I've got a size on this one because it's quite small. This is a 7ml tube. Can you see that? Can we can? 7ml tube. Price is £16 for 15ml, so this is just under a half size tube. So I'll try and see if I can find a price for that. I think I've used this before, but I've got to be honest and say my skin is actually pretty congested at the minute. I do have my period at the moment, which is obviously why the boxes came at a good time, and I always get the hormonal breakouts on my chin area. So I might give this a go actually once I've taken my makeup off. See what that's like. I'm sure I've tried it before. I've definitely had it in a box before. Right, what's next? Oh, chocolate. Chocolate, my one true love. Montezumas minted milk chocolate with crunchy peppermint mini bar. Now, I've actually had this in a recent pink parcel. I wouldn't forget that. Yeah, so that's that. Keep this pocket-sized chocolate bar in hand for when the cravings come a-calling. Peruvian high cocoa milk chocolate perfectly complements the chunky, crunchy peppermint chunks, and this indulgent treat we've been chosen as this month's premenstrual pick-me-up. So that's that. Again, it gives the price $2.59 for 100 grams. This is 30-gram bar. There is a price for these somewhere. I have found a price for this size before, so I will let you know. Next, tea bag. Now, I think this is what I can smell actually. Yeah, this is definitely what I can smell. It is the Dr. Stuarts Skin Purify Tea, and that's one tea bag. Boost your beauty from within with this clever blend that includes red clover, nettle, dandelion and lemon to aid the body's natural elimination process and chamomile to soothe inflammation. This tasty tea has a high oil content and is naturally caffeine free. My mum usually ends up drinking the teas, to be honest. I pop them in the cupboard where we keep tea things, and normally she drinks them all, and then she usually whinges because she's like, it's a detox one, I've never stopped on the toilet. Yeah, well, you know, that's what it was for. It was a detox one, but never mind. So somebody will drink that, even if I don't. My mum will. Next, oh, this is quite a big tube. Skin & Co Roma Truffle Therapy Whipped Cleansing Cream. That sounds nice. Apply to skin, massage and remove with warm water and face cloth. This creamy cleanser features luxurious truffle extract and almond oil, making it perfect for winter when the cold weather can dry skin out. It removes makeup and even waterproof mascara too. Price 30ml for 150ml. This is a 30ml tube. That sounds nice. That sounds really nice actually. Definitely give that a go. And that is cruelty free as well. And zero sulfates, parabens, mineral oil or phthalates, whatever they are. Dry and dull skin. My skin isn't normally dry and dull, but it is starting to feel the cold because it is freezing today. Been to the doctor's this morning and it was freezing cold outside. So cold. Yeah, so that's that. That's a nice size. Again, I'll try and give you an idea if I can find one of what this size is worth. And finally, I have seen something else. It is the Technic eyeliner pencil with smudger and sharpener. Yeah, Technic. I haven't tried a lot of Technic actually, but it is one of those sort of budget brands like W7 and things that you sometimes do see as a cheap makeup brand. But the products I've tried actually haven't been that bad. Have been pretty okay for the price. And this is the eyeliner pencil with smudger and sharpener. And the lids just fell off the end. Line and smudge your way to a sexy smolder with this 3-in-1 essential that features a creamy black liner, a sharpener and a mini smudge brush. It's time to throw out that stubby eye pencil that's been hanging around in the bottom of your makeup bag gathering dust. Price $1.99 full size. Shall we give this an open? Yeah, let's see if I can open it. I've got no nails at the moment at all. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. No, you go. Oh, this potentially could be more hassle than it's worth. There we go. I've I've got the line off anyway, I've got the end off. So that's what it looks like. Plain black pencil. There we go. It works. Seems quite soft actually, but the key is with eyeliner pencils, I guess, you don't want them too soft, because if they're too soft then they don't last. I've had some ones that feel amazing and then you put them on and they just don't last 2 minutes. I have quite oily lids before. I think I've probably said this before if you've ever watched any of my videos before. I have quite an oily lid, and getting an eyeliner to actually stay on my eyes is like, I haven't found one basically. I've heard, you can find things that last so long, but I don't find anything that lasts that long, which is why I probably don't wear as much eyeliner as I would like to, maybe. I see all these people with fabulous cat eyes and wings, and if I put it on, it would just be down my face. So I'm always on the lookout for eyeliners, so I'll definitely give that a go. It feels nice, but it doesn't feel too soft, which is probably a good thing. Yeah, give that a go. And obviously there's your sharpener and there's your smudgy end. So that was November's box. Let's see if it says anything else in here. Limited edition makeup bag, Xmas gift guide. Yeah, basically just a little bit more. Oh, After Dark edition. That's what this one is. It's the After Dark edition. And November's After Dark edition even. We're teaching you to date makeup plus skincare game changers to help you party for the prep for the party season like pro. This month's curation features a total of 7 products, 3 of which are full size. Achieve a selfie ready finish with a cold sheet mask designed by Insta icon Olivia Buckland. I don't even know who she is, so obviously not an Insta icon in my eyes, but you know, whatever. The prep skin for a flawless face. The master the art of the smoky eye with the Technic eyeliner pencil. Pre-party season is also the perfect time to stock up on skincare like Balance Me Congested Skin Serum packed full of antimicrobial natural extracts. Don't miss December's Pink Parcel for an exclusive gift and experience for your friend, featuring a full-size one-of-a-kind lips shade from Lord & Berry past the Prosecco. Exclusive gifting experience for you and a friend. And hashtag is PP After Dark, so you can find out whether people thought of it. So that was that. I don't think that's bad. There are full sizes. Makeup, anything with makeup brushes in, I'm usually all over because I love makeup brushes. So I'm really interested in that. And that Truffle cleanser sounds really nice if your skin's just feeling a bit sort of shriveled after being out in the cold. It's supposed to snow this week. We've had apparently snow in the UK today. Not in my end of the week, because they said, oh, first snow of the season. I was like, we had it about a month ago where I live. Never mind. North-South divide. So yeah, pretty decent box again. Obviously tons of sanitary protection, which is obviously the main reason why I get it, because it's convenient. And you always get way more than you, well, I personally get way more than I'll use, so I always end up with some left over, so that's a good thing. So let me know your thoughts in the comments. Again, as I say, I'll try and put sizes and price values where I can. So let me know your thoughts in this box in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out my other social media channels. And I will also put a link to Pink Parcel. I think it is an affiliate link now, so you can find out a little bit more about Pink Parcel. I love the idea. I love the concept. So you can find out more about it and the options. And I think you can also find a little bit more about Betty Box, which is that version for teenagers. So thank you for watching, and I will see you really soon with another video, which will probably be an unboxing or a haul or something like that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.